Welcome to Energy International. An ISO 9001 company established 37 years ago, headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, USA, by its founding member and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Ned Fawaz, a mechanical engineer from the University of Michigan. In 1983, Energy International entered the Middle East, starting its operations in the UAE. Today, it has expanded to a number of diverse industries such as HVAC systems, parking and transportation, building controls, aerospace, and renewable energies. We are a group of 240 engineers, managers, and technicians spread across the USA, UAE, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Jordan, and Lebanon, with an annual turnover of over $50 million. In 1988, the first automated off-street car park in the Middle East was installed by Energy International at the Dubai International Airport. Since then, Energy International have pioneered to design, manage, control, and maintain the on-street parking infrastructure using parking machines manufactured in Germany. As you can see, large parking areas in Dubai are mismanaged without administration of parking control. Efficient and optimal parking spaces were created, comprising of a combination of road curbs, lane marking lines, strategically located paid parking signage, and solar-powered parking machines installed within fair walking distance to parking spaces. Our machines are designed and tested for the extreme climatic conditions of the Middle East, including 55 degrees centigrade and 95% relative humidity, 70 degrees centigrade dry heat, and -20 degrees centigrade cold. The enclosure is IP54 rated stainless steel and has been put through 10 years of accelerated corrosion. They are aesthetically designed, easy to spot, and can be custom colored as per the customer's requirement. Ours is the only system in the world that uses a secure two-way GPRS communication channel between the parking machines and the central management system. This gives full, real-time control of the machines to the operator. The machines are fully solar-powered. The photovoltaic panel used on the machines only require ambient sunlight to function effectively. Our pay and display machines are vigorously tested before being put into production. The machine is subjected to every possible environmental stress testing procedure, including rain, heat and humidity, dust, electromagnetic interference, and vibration. The Parking Central Management System is capable of showing real-time status, has full operational control, can download software, update tariffs, and generate instant reports from the machines. Enforcement is critically vital to this project. If the authority is unable to enforce the payment of fines, the Pay and Display on-street parking system project will not be a success. Vehicles that violate parking rules by using more than one parking space, obstructing traffic, or overstaying the ticket's validity are issued fines by the parking enforcement officer. The parking lots are monitored by enforcement officers who gets all details of the vehicle from the enforcement management system and uploads the fine details back into it. Data from the enforcement management system will tell the inspector if the vehicle owner is a repeat offender, in which case the inspector can issue heavier fines or have the vehicle towed away. Fines can be paid through multiple payment channels such as government-approved collection agencies, online payment, dedicated payment kiosks, payment during car registration, personal online bank accounts, or mobile payment. The customer parks his car in an available parking bay and walks towards an available parking machine. Using coin or card, he makes the payment for the amount of time he wishes to park the vehicle and collects his ticket. He places the ticket on the dashboard of his car so that it can be clearly seen by the inspector. The parking enforcement inspector reads and checks if the parking ticket is valid. The success of our system is evident from the ever-increasing geographical area that our parking machines control in the UAE. Today, we have over 4,500 machines controlling over 130,000 parking spaces in Dubai, over 1,000 machines controlling more than 32,000 parking spaces in Abu Dhabi, over 1,000 machines controlling 30,000 parking spaces in Sharjah, and over 100 machines controlling more than 3,600 parking spaces in Ajman. The parking management system allowed optimal utilization of parking spaces, reduced road congestion, and ensured free movement of traffic across all lanes of the city roads. The paid parking system deterred people from using personal vehicles when it is not absolutely necessary, and hence encouraged the use of public transport. The parking and enforcement system contributed to the economic development of the city by ensuring that customers are able to find parking spaces at their desired business locations, while the paid parking system restores law and order to the streets of any city. If we are to consider the project feasibility purely from a financial point of view, the paid parking system will more than pay for itself in about a year. We provide a complete solution in which everything works seamlessly with each other. The parking machine is intelligently programmed to detect a fault and alert the back-end system via GPRS. The back-end sends the error details to the technician on site via SMS, and the technician repairs the machine. Similarly, a cash box event will also be informed to the cash collection agent, who would collect, count, and hand over the cash to the parking department to be deposited in the bank. And all events, warnings, and errors are monitored in real time by the operators using the central management system. To further improve the system, parking sensors can be deployed to increase the efficiency of enforcement. It can also be integrated with other modes of transport for a unified fare collection system, and guidance systems can be used to make finding a parking spot easier. In 2009, we also implemented the Unified Automated Fare Collection System for RTA Dubai, which integrates all modes of transport to to use one single fare medium, the Knoll contactless smart card, and in 2015, we received an award from the chairman of RTA for the successful integration of Dubai Tram into the project. For the Unified Automated Fare Collection project, we installed, commissioned, and maintain over 10,000 electronic validators in buses, over 80 ticket vending machines, and 20 marine turnstile gates and integrated validators, among other devices. Thank you for your time.